What is going on, nerdy girls? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Stoney Clover collection. So I have been collecting Stoney Clover for about 3-ish years now, and when I first discovered the brand on Instagram, I immediately fell in love with it, especially because they do some really amazing collaborations with brands like Disney, Barbie, American Girl, just a lot of different really fun brands. Their items are also very functional and versatile and perfect for traveling. They are travel accessories, so you will see an assortment of bags, backpacks, tote bags, fanny packs, pouches, you name it, and Stoney Clover probably has it. Now, my collection is on the smaller side, but I do love every single piece that I have. I really do also appreciate having a smaller and more curated collection, and of course it is always growing. I like to look for new Stoney Clover items when they're on sale or from other stores that also sell Stoney Clover. This is going to be my first collection video, and hopefully in the future I do updated collection videos. We're also going to include some of my Stoney Clover Target items that I have purchased back when they did their Target collaboration. I also have a haul video on that, so if you're interested in seeing it, click up here to watch the video. So let's get on into the collection. So I'm going to start off this video with the fanny packs because my first ever Stoney Clover bag purchase was one of their fanny packs. So let me show it to you. This is the bag. It is a beautiful lavender color tufted fanny pack. It has a very pretty tufted heart pattern, and I put this very pretty Elsa Frozen patch on it. So these are separate items. This bag was from a totally separate collection, and the Elsa patch was from their Frozen collection. It's very gorgeous, and I thought that it matched perfectly because of the lavender details, and it glistens in the light. This is not sewed on. I just attached it. At some point I will probably sew this on. So just for a little bit of information on this bag, it is on the smaller side. It is not their standard fanny pack size. Their standard fanny packs are a little bit bigger. I do have another one that I will show you for size comparison. It has one section on the inside, and it's a Stoney Clover Lane on the interior, and all of Stoney Clover Lane has this beautiful gold hardware, and of course it has an adjustable strap with gold hardware, gold buckle. On top of the pouch section being smaller, the strap is also shorter than their standard fanny packs as well. So just keep that in mind. I'm not exactly sure if this is still available on the website, but I know a lot of people like to collect Stoney Clover from Poshmark, Depop, all these other places. So if you do come across this bag, just be aware of the size. And then here is my standard fanny pack. This is from their, I think their most recent or second to most recent Disney collaboration, and it just has a very cute Mickey Minnie print on it with a baby pink and polka dot background, and of course I had to top it off with this cute cream colored Mickey patch, and I love that it has this gold sparkly detail on the outside because it really complements the gold hardware. So I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but it is bigger. It's just a bigger pouch part, and the interior says Disney Stoney Clover. The straps are quite bigger in size than the last fanny pack. If you are on the fence about the strap sizes, if you do some searching online, there are some really great hacks for how to extend the strap yourself. I have not had to do this, but I do know that there are some great resources online for how to do it. I got this bag prior to my Disney trips last year, and I used this bag for all of my Disney trips last year actually, and it was just a really great convenient little pouch bag to have. You can wear it on your shoulder, kind of like a crossbody, or you can also wear it just as a traditional hip fanny pack as well. Aside from the theme parks, these are really great for just running errands or anytime that you might need a smaller bag, maybe like a concert or a festival, something kind of like that. Great summertime bags. And then moving on, I'm going to show you guys this beautiful mini backpack that I got in Disney World. I believe I got this from the Hollywood Studios gift shop, the fancier one where they sell Pandora. So every Disney park has a more fancy style gift shop where they'll sell Pandora jewelry, they'll sell Dooney and Burke bags, they'll sell Vera Bradley stuff, and this is where I found this backpack. Prior to my trips last year, I thought you could only get Stoney Clover at the Four Seasons, but they started putting some in the parks, which I'm so excited about. I haven't been since the fall, so I'm not sure if there's even more of a selection now. And it is basically this very cute Fab 5 pattern with a peachy pink background. And this is their mini backpack, so it is much smaller than their standard backpack. Also, the straps are adjustable, but they're super short. I'm pretty sure these are more intended for children. I barely got away with wearing it on the most extended size. If you have broader shoulders, or if you have bigger arms, or you're just a little bit maybe even taller than me, I'm only 5'4", this probably wouldn't work for you, and you probably would have to figure out how to do some type of DIY extender. However, it's still a very pretty bag. On this side, it has this elastic compartment, probably for water bottles or anything else you need to grab right away, maybe your phone. The other side has nothing, and then it has a front zipper section that is pretty roomy, and the main section looks like this. All their backpacks are just one big section usually, and the back has their Stoney Clover Disney tag on it. I still really do enjoy this bag, regardless of the strap issue. Then up next, I'm going to share with you guys this standard Stoney Clover backpack. This is in their black color. I believe they call it Noir. And of course, I did get it with patches that spell out NFGCO, which is my brand Nerdy Fashion Girl Co. And it has the gold outlines to bring out the gold hardware in the bag. I do have to go over it with some cleaner, but it's fine. A really big section on the inside. That's what I love about these bags. They really hold everything. And then the front compartment also opens, and it's very spacious as well. And the straps on this bag are also more normal. They are adjustable as well. So that's what this looks like. It's a great fit. The back says Stoney Clover in black. And this is just a great everyday bag. I love the backpacks for travel, for going on airplanes. They're just really great versatile bags. I can't say anything bad about these. And then I already have shown this bag in my last video when I did a review on it. This is the Disney Princess Stoney Clover collaboration backpack. It has a very beautiful pink color background with all of the princesses on it. I love the little crown detail on the zipper. It has the pouch section on the front, and then a very large section for the main bag, and of course adjustable straps. I also really like the ruffle detail on the front as well. So this is my newest addition to the collection, and I love it so much because I wear so many pastel colors, especially in the spring and summertime. And now that we're approaching spring, this is going to be such a great bag to use all the time. So now I'm going to share with you a backpack that I got from the Target collaboration, and that is this clear colored backpack. This is so summery. It reminds me of going to the beach or going to the pool. I love that there is a pastel color block theme with the yellow, the turquoise, and the lilac color as the adjustable straps, and this is pretty much a similar size for the standard backpacks. It has the front zipper section. It's cute because I think you can pair some of the Stoney Clover pouches on the inside and have it look very aesthetically pleasing. I also like that the little zipper has the Target logo on one side and the Stoney Clover logo on the other side. This is a great bag to own, and I believe they're still floating around on Poshmark and other places at pretty affordable prices. My other Target find is this really amazing duffel bag. It is this pastel tie-dye duffel bag. I purchased the patches to spell out the word travel. Again, these aren't sewn on. These are sticky patches, and they've stayed on pretty well. I've actually already flown with this. It's already been in the overhead compartments on an airplane, so it's held up really great. It actually hasn't even really gotten dirty, but I love this duffel bag. It's extremely spacious, and again, it has the gold hardware and everything else that all the Stoney Clover bags come with. So it did come with these pink straps, and you just hook it to the sides, and you're good to go. I also like that the back has this little section as well. This came in handy so much because there were times when I had to throw my phone, throw my boarding pass in here, and it's just good to have this little section so that you have access to everything that you need when you travel. And then to match the duffel bag, I got this cute little wristlet pouch, and it's the same pattern as the duffel bag. I really like tie-dye. I know it was trending during the pandemic when people were doing tie-dye DIYs. I never stopped liking tie-dye. This is the inside. It's very spacious, and this is just a great little pouch, maybe for the pool or the beach when you just want to throw in some items. It could also fit in your backpack or your purse. Just this really adorable little pouch bag. So I'm going to show you the last couple items that I have. One is a patch and the other one is an accessory. So this is the patch that I have from the Frozen collection, and I haven't actually put this on anything yet, but it is a very pretty heart-shaped pouch with Anna on it, and again it has those beautiful pastel lavenders, blues, and pinks in it. These are so pretty. I just don't know what to attach this to yet. Taking a tree away. What the heck is going on outside? Oh no. I had to wait till I went back down the street. So I really love this patch. I really enjoy this patch. I just need to find something that I can place this on. I'm probably going to purchase something else, and maybe it will be something that matches the Anna patch. And then the last item that I have to show you guys is this very cute scrunchie. They have these in all of their basic colors, so you can get pretty much any color you want to match any bag that you have. But I have this highlighter pink colored one, and I had a lavender one, but I gave it to my friend. I may get some more of these, I'm not sure yet. I do have some other Stoney Clover things. I still have the face masks that I got with the Target haul. I haven't even used them yet. I also have the tumbler from the Target collection, but this video is really all about the bags, so it's my cue to go. So that is everything that I have in this collection. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and it inspired you to maybe go out and buy some Stoney Clover Lane items, or to just at least check it out. It's really fun. Let me know what your favorite item in my collection is. And if you're looking for something else to watch, check out my last video. Spoiler alert, it's also Stoney Clover related. And with that being said, I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!